My name is Sean Young. I am the CEO and co-founder of Classcraft. When you look at school dropout rates, you look at gun violence, you look at mental health issues in schools, you look at suspension rates, all these metrics are actually tied back to the fact that kids just don't want to be there. Classcraft is an engagement management system for schools, and what we do is we drive systemic and sustained engagement by using video game mechanics for the classroom. We sit on top of normal instruction because the real life of the classroom is the game. And so as students are doing things in their day-to-day life, they gain points, they level up, they use these powers, they're able to get cool gear. So really enacting massive culture change within the classroom to do three things. The first thing is develop soft skills in students, personalized learning through quest lines, and then on top of that we have a data analytics platform for schools and districts where they can actually see mental health and behavioral trends throughout their schools in real time. Classcraft has teachers using it in 160 countries. We're in 12 languages. We have close to 6 million kids have created accounts.